Hey, what's up, Dogecoin? So, what's going on, my brother? Dogecoin holder, today is very special and good news for all Dogecoin holder because Dogecoin holder moving up like a rocket, and therefore I'm very excited to upload this video because this is very good news for my friends, for my brother. So please, Dogecoin holder, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel. Let's get started live price prediction of this best Dogecoin holder. Okay, so let's get started. Open it, and Dogecoin is very fastest cryptocurrency. Everybody know this. Okay, so Dogecoin price prediction is almost very important because this time very critical situation for all cryptocurrencies, and the market cap has lost 10 billion US dollar. Everybody know this news is very urgent, and I update you. Okay, guys, so this time the live price prediction starting. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Hope you subscribe it if you are new. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna show the three charts, and then we decide to what we do at this critical situation. So let's get started this time. First of all I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour result to what's going on in the last 1 hour. The chart is on 0.06% gone down. You can see here they totally gone down in last 1 hour, but they take some time a small jump. So this is good for you for that because they take a small jump. This is absolutely a mind blowing jump. This is good time. Okay, remember this price. The price is almost very important. Dogecoin holder 0.061742 US dollar as the latest price of Dogecoin. Okay, guys, so let's see the last 1 day result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. This is almost very important. You remember the last 1 hour result because this is very important for the end of the month which we decide to sell or buy or hold. Okay, so guys, if you check out this time the result is in positive, therefore I am very happy to the result as in positive plus 1.69% they gone off. So congratulations to my brother. They take a jump very highly, they take a good jump, but again they take a very dump also. So let's see to what's going on in the upcoming time, but this time they take a good jump. So this is good result, 1.69% they gone up. So congratulations my brother. Dogecoin as very fastest cryptocurrency. You can see here the price changes. The price change is also good. Price is moving up like a rocket. Okay, I hope they make you a millionaire. They give you a very good profit. So let's check out the last 3 days result, and this is the last chart, and then we decide to what we do, sell, buy or hold. So let's see to what's going on. Oh my goodness, this time the decision is very hot. You can see here, and the last 3 days result as 0.58% gone down, my brother. 58% gone down. What I do, this is very critical situation. Okay, my brother, so the latest price is almost gone down sometime, and this time you can see here they took like a very bad jump this time, and they're going straight, not a big jump. Okay, so they're going straight, and I hope in upcoming days they're going like a rocket moving up, they're starting moving upward. So my brother, my decision, my opinion as that to if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to you buy more because the 24-hour result is almost very important, very good. So therefore I'm excited, very happy to the result as a positive, and I hope that they give us a very good result just in upcoming days. So what you say, this is good time to buy, this is good time to sell. My opinion to this is good time to buy and hold and wait for the end of this month. I cannot sell it, I never sell it. I just wait for 2025 because Dogecoin make me millionaire. They give me a good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, see you next time.